Imagine waking up to find that you've made money overnight without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, AI is making that dream a reality. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing passive income like never before. From AI-powered content creation to automated investing, new tools are changing the way people make money online. But with so many AI tools out there, which ones actually work? Today, we're revealing the most powerful AI tools that can help you generate passive income effortlessly, whether you want to make money through YouTube, blogging, affiliate marketing, or automated trading. These AI tools will help you turn your ideas into real income streams 24/7. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start building your own AI-powered passive income empire. So, get ready to take notes, because this could be your game changer. If you're ready to unlock financial freedom with AI, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Imagine making money while you sleep. AI is revolutionizing passive income, and in 2025, the right tools can help you generate wealth on autopilot. But which AI tools actually work? Stay tuned because today, I'm revealing the ultimate AI tools that can help you earn passive income without lifting a finger. AI is no longer just for big companies. Today, anyone can use artificial intelligence to automate businesses, generate content, and even invest in stocks. And the best part? You don't need technical skills to get started. Whether you're looking to earn from YouTube, e-commerce, stock trading, or affiliate marketing, AI tools can do the heavy lifting for you. So let's dive into the best AI tools you can start using right now. First up, we have ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI tools for content creation. Whether you want to start a blog, write social media posts, or even generate YouTube scripts, ChatGPT can do it in seconds. People are using ChatGPT to run entire blogging businesses, automate emails, and even create ebooks, all of which can generate passive income on autopilot. Want to start a faceless YouTube channel and earn ad revenue? Pictory is an AI video creation tool that can turn text into high-quality videos, no camera, no voiceover required. You just upload a script, and Pictory adds stock footage, voiceovers, and animations to create professional-looking videos. Many creators are making thousands of dollars every month using AI-generated videos. If you want to sell digital products online, Midjourney and Canva are must-have AI tools. You can create stunning AI-generated art, digital planners, and even social media templates, and sell them on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. Imagine creating a product once and earning passive income every time someone buys it. That's the power of AI automation. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income, and Copy.ai can make the process 10x faster. It generates high-converting product descriptions, email sequences, and blog posts, all optimized to drive sales. Just find a high-paying affiliate program, use Copy.ai to generate content, and start earning commissions on autopilot. Want to invest but don't have time to analyze the market? Trade Ideas is an AI-powered stock trading platform that scans the market, finds high-potential stocks, and even executes trades for you. Many traders are using AI bots to automate their investing strategies and earn consistent returns without spending hours watching charts. AI is making passive income easier than ever. Whether you're a content creator, investor, or entrepreneur, these AI tools can help you automate and scale your income streams. So, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. And if you want more money-making strategies, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Screen fades to outro with a CTA to subscribe, like, and check out related videos.